So this is a complex SPL SQ build. He also used to have SQL in it, so like doors open loud, but he didn't carry on with that. So yeah, that's for the SPL Ground Zero Hydrogen Series SPL 12-inch subs, tuned fairly high to make it super fucking loud. With two Ground Zero monoblocks stacked on each other. And then there's a tiny little Zepco amplifier, an ST range 4X SQ amp running the front end with the 4 channels. Huge batteries down there. Yeah, he did a great job. I helped him a little bit with this amp rack, some of the wiring. And he has a Phoenix Gold DSP. Let's see if the front is open. We won't see much because it's all OEM. Factory 6x9 location with hybrid audio, 6x9 unity range mid-bass drivers with unity range 2-inch drivers underneath the factory grille that we opened up a bit. And this car was second at the Euro Finals in March in entry 3000, so in the lowest category. But you know, 4 speakers, OEM locations, DSP, and this car does magic. But we will talk about it a little bit later.